my last show and tell, I thought I'd go through some of the things that the team's sort of achieved over the last year or so. So, like top level highlights, there's very small amounts of wording here, so keep it light. So, the time we've saved, the effort we've saved, the rewards we've gained, and just some special thanks as well. So, I believe to a certain degree we've now achieved TDD on every single project. With the newer projects, it's getting a little bit easier to do that because of the way we're developing. It's much smaller bundles, but I think on like the average time and team, test-driven development. So testing, preparing the test before the development's done. So then we sort of go green, red, green sort of thing. So we can green, red, green. Yeah. So it enables us to then basically preempt the changes that are going to happen within the development cycle. So that's what I think we've achieved there. We've got integrated build jobs, so Power Planner, for example, when the UI is built, we run the automation, so we can sort of check in after the commit when we're building and before we deploy to an environment that the UI is good. Single source of truth, so now we have a daily archive of all the test evidence for all the apps stored in one location, reading its information from one location being Jira, so we have sort of that single source of truth. Fully scalable, so on the API side, we've sort of done a lot of work recently over making it more powerful basically, so we can sort of support more and more test cases faster and faster, because to reduce time but increase testing coverage is it's sort of a difficult task, but what we've done is sort of added concurrency, so we run more than one test at the same time. And now what we do is sort of we're at the limit, I think, of what the platform can sort of take, as in its size to the test speed. So, and good old self-healing tests. So, with the automatic assertion updates, especially on like retirements, with there's over 500 tests now on there. To make a change to tax rates or something, it required a lot of time to go through and update all the assertions. That's now sort of a done deal, and then it's up to someone to check that all those values are okay. So it's not like a double process where someone checks they're okay and then someone has to then go and change them. So that's just done automatically. That should be doing it every night now, so after my next update is going to do it every single day. It's going to check from what was before the sprint to what's now and show you all the differences, fix all the problems, but then it's up to Chris or Harpreet to then go and go, yeah, these are okay, I'll commit these. So they don't have to go and change them, they just approve them. So some special thanks. Obviously the King Quaintance, who isn't here, he's done loads. He sort of pushed me into going into Cucumber and pulled me up into like ES6 and sort of pushed me to build the best thing and not just sort of like this MVP. So yeah, thanks to him. Obviously Harps and Chris, they've done awesome jobs. Harpreet is using the end-to-end module like a pro on Pension with it. So massive thanks to them and Mr. Walmsley, because without him, I don't think the automations would have been built to this standard anyway. So massive thanks to him and everyone else. So put me in my place quite often. So from that, put a little video together. Has to be a little video, don't there?
Yeah.